State is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family, household. That's a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Court is calling 2023 CR 0789, State of Texas versus Juan Carlos Torres Rivera. Can I have the parties announced for the record for the state?
Ruben Herrera for the state.
Defense?
Armando Roman for the defendant.
And are you Juan Carlos Torres Rivera?
Yes.
All right. And just so the record can be clear, even though this is the same interpreter, I'll swear you in again. Do you solemnly swear or affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, if you'll lower your hand and state your name for the record.
Cesar Chavez.
Mr. Rivera, all of the documents that I'm going to be reviewing with you are in English. Were those explained to you in Spanish?
Sí. Yes.
All right. Counsel, do you speak Spanish?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you speak Spanish fluently?
Yeah, I do.
Were you able to go over these documents that are written in English and Spanish with your client?
I was.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor. Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Rivera, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
All right, so Mr. Rivera, I see you're shaking your head to me up and down. For the record, you're going to need to answer. You understand?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney and did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we are proceeding as to count 2, the lesser included charge of assault, bodily injury, family, household.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Court's Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family, household? That's a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
No.
Let me repeat it. Mr. Rivera, do you understand the rights that I've explained to you?
Yes.
Are you giving up those rights?
Yes.
And are you entering into a plea in this case?
Yes.
And is that what you wish to do?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent
Yes,
and
Your
was
Honor.
legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Rivera, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No. No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Did you understand if I were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, I could find you guilty and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney and did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is proceeding on count 2 and the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family, or household. They're recommending deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Yaritza, Yaritza, Rivera Ortiz. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
The only, if I may, Your Honor, the only issue that we had and the state agreed to remain open on it was the no contact with Yaritza. Yaritza is his mom. He lives with his mom. She is not here today, but we were asking that it be no harmful or injurious contact.
All right, for me to lift a no contact order where it's a complaint and it's family violence, they'll need to be present. If you would like, I will take the plea. And if you want her to appear by Zoom, we could have her here tomorrow exactly at 9 a.m. or either have her here at Thursday to continue the sentencing.
Thursday would work out for me.
Okay. All right. Did you review the waiver of appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending 2 years deferred adjudication and anger management. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offense of assault, bodily injury, family, household, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
State offers State's Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
Any objections? Mr. Rivera, did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. And we're going to come back on July 13th. And if you can have the mom by Zoom. And if we can go off the record for a moment. Has anyone thought about referring this to the mental health court?
No, Your Honor.
All right, if you all want to, because I see there were some depression issues and I think the police was called for him to receive help. And that's just what I'm reading out of the police report. So if you all want to, you can refer this to, I'll refer it to mental health court. It may take longer than July 13th since I would recommend that it be referred to mental health court. And mental health court does not take convictions or deferred cases. So if mental health court is willing to accept it and you all want a motion for a new trial and they accept it, I will grant your motion for new trial and then mental health court can take care of the issues.
I'll explain it to him. I'll see what this is.
All right. Ms. Abrams, I'm going to want this referred to mental health court. And so if he ends up being accepted into mental health court, then they'll come back with a motion for a new trial, and I'll grant the motion for new trial so he can be in mental health court.
Your Honor, is it a misdemeanor?
Yes. Well, they're pleading on a misdemeanor. It's actually a felony, but they plead it down to misdemeanor.
Yes.
So if you could see if we could get him with the felony mental health court and see if they'll accept him.
Yes, Your Honor.
So we're coming back on July 13th. It may end up taking longer than July 13th since we're referring it to there. But I think probably everybody would agree it's better not to have a deferred if you can be in mental health court.
I'll talk to him.
All right, so we'll set it back here for July 13th to see where we are with the evaluation.
Okay.
All right. Is there anything else?
Nothing further. Nothing to say. No. Do you still want the mom on Zoom?
Yes, on July 13th, because at least we'll have that out of the way that yes, she is okay with him living with her. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Here's what this hearing accomplished. In plain terms, the state proceeded on a lesser included offense: assault, bodily injury, family household, a Class A misdemeanor carrying up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Juan Carlos Torres Rivera entered a plea through an interpreter, and the court accepted the case using stipulated evidence, police reports, and written materials, not live testimony. The plea included deferred adjudication and, critically, an affirmative finding of family violence, which the judge spelled out has major consequences, like restrictions on weapons, ammunition, and limits on being designated primary custodial parent. Then the biggest practical issue: the order lists no contact with Eureka Rivera, but defense stated Eureka is his mother, and he lives with her, so the judge refused to modify that without her present, and the case was continued to bring her in by Zoom. Finally, the judge flagged potential depression, health concerns in the reports and floated mental health court as a better solution, explaining it may require a motion for a new trial because that program doesn't take deferred conviction cases the same way. Bottom line, the court is balancing accountability for family violence with a possible treatment-focused path while making sure safety and clear boundaries stay in place. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.